You will love the features of this 2015 Lexus ES. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a tour of this stylish Lexus ES, the spacious midsize luxury sedan with alluring coupe-like lines and a tranquil cabin. Its plush comfort, advanced safety tech, and infotainment features make every journey pure pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, power passenger seat, premium sound system, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera. Make a bold style statement in this striking ES luxury sedan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.